I really hope Instagram is a part of your marketing strategy right now. Hey there, Chantha Wetterhahn here with Competitive Edge Online Marketing and Branding. Did you know that Instagram provides an incredible reach when it comes to your business? You get more engagement than Facebook. 8 out of 10 of the people that actually use Instagram visit business profiles, and Instagram is a wonderful way to reach your local market. So let's talk about Instagram and how you're going to reach all these wonderful people. The main way that you're going to get your content seen by your leads, your prospects, your target market is through a really good, comprehensive hashtag strategy. Hashtags allow your content to be found. When you're using the right hashtags that are associated with whatever message you want to put out into the world, when your ideal clients, leads, and prospects are doing research or searching that up, your content will be found by them. So, one of the top hacks I have for your Instagram hashtag strategy is to incorporate hashtags into your bio. If you include hashtags in your bio on Instagram, that will allow your account to be found by people who are looking for you. You'll come up in search. Another hack that I have is to use a lot of hashtags. Back in the day, we always heard use 3 to 5 or 10 different hashtags so you won't look too desperate. Nowadays, it is totally fine, totally understandable for you to go ahead and use up to 30 hashtags, and you can do it. In my book, using the most hashtags allows my content to be found by the most people. And so, how do we do this and not look spammy? One of the ways that you're going to be able to do this is to hide your hashtags. You actually want to include line breaks right before your hashtags, or you can, which I primarily do, incorporate your hashtags in the comments of each post. That'll really help. Another thing that you want to focus on when it comes to your hashtags are making sure that they are hyper relevant. For example, if you sell baby food, you might want to do hashtag organic baby food, or hashtag new moms, or hashtag baby foods. You really don't want to use a very general hashtag like food or organic, because you're actually not going to increase the likelihood of your content being found by new moms or new dads looking for organic baby food. So you want to be hyper relevant when it comes to your hashtag strategy. Another really cool hack is for you to actually include hashtags in your stories. If you include hashtags in your stories, you're going to get found on the Explore page. So it will increase the likelihood that your stories will come up for other people that are looking for the type of content you're putting out there. One of the other hacks I have for you is to follow other hashtags. We do this all the time. So one of the industries that we focus on as a social media company, as a digital marketing agency, is the real estate industry. And so some of the hashtags that we follow are things like realtors or real estate agents. We want to make sure that we're engaging with those professionals, so when they're using those types of hashtags in their content, we find them, they come up in our search, and we're able to engage with them in an effective way. So in order to follow hashtags, what you're going to do is hit the magnifying glass, go to the tag feature, and you can follow any type of hashtags that's associated with your ideal clients. The last hack that I have for you is to keep everything local. So my strategy is typically with Instagram to focus on the local market. I want to connect with local business owners. I want to connect with local restaurants, local real estate agents, local. Instagram is an incredible tool to use to reach your local market. And because of that, you want to have local hashtags. For example, as a marketing agency in the Atlanta area, one of our hashtags would be hashtag Atlanta marketing. or hashtag Atlanta Marketing Agency. So I really hope these tips help. I hope you're able to implement them and take your Instagram and hashtag strategy to the next level. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.